Hey Alfredo, it's Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. If we scroll through here, it's good to have these call to action buttons that helps convert those leads to customers. So that's good. You definitely want to have a few more scattered throughout here. Another thing, upon looking here, you want to make sure that there's more content on your homepage. So what Google does is they have crawlers that crawl the internet 24/7, and they will be crawling all the websites, and they're going to be looking in this content, looking for keywords. And to be considered an authority with Google, you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage, and then those keywords within the 1,500 words. So an example of a keyword would be Foundation Repair OKC. This is a keyword that people are searching every month. So when we enter that in, the first thing we see are all these ads, but if we scroll down here, this is called the Google Map Pack. And so 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you want to be in the top 3 because most people don't click on the more businesses. And the way to outrank in this section is to make sure you have a Google business profile. You want to have 5-star reviews, citations, and you want to have photos linked to it more than these other businesses. You want to outrank them in that. If we scroll down, this is where the rest of the business goes. This is called the organic listing. We're going to skip Angie's. So the number 1 for the organic listing is PowerliftFoundationRepair.com. And I didn't see you all on this first page. It's important to be in the top 3 spots here if possible, because a lot of people don't scroll down and they don't go past this first page here. So let's take a look at the Powerlift website. The first thing I notice here, they have those call to actions. Pretty user friendly here. They also don't have enough content, so that would be easy to beat them in the content. Get the 1,500 words on there. But let's see, on the back end of their website, I have the Powerlift Foundation Repair plugged into Ahrefs, and the UR and the DR, those are just the trustworthiness and the authority factor that is assigned by Google to a rating that Google gives. And what goes into those ratings are backlinks, which come from referring domains. And generally you want a lot of backlinks, but there is a thing, if you have a spammy backlinks, it can actually make these numbers go down. So you do want, quality is better than quantity, but it is also important to have a good amount as well. And so they have quite a few backlinks, 153 domains, 683 organic keywords. So let's go over to your website. And there's not a rating here. So we definitely want to make sure to get some good quality backlinks from different domains here. That way we can get these numbers up. And so the goal for us would be to beat the Powerlift Foundation Repair. And it would take time to beat them out, but if you were to beat them out or get in the top 3, let's see what kind of traffic they're getting from these organic keywords. So, buyer intent keywords, I'm going to look at just the ones in your area. They are getting traffic from Foundation Repair. They're getting 1.5 thousand. But we definitely want to target these, and that's just because they're up high on the list. But Foundation Repair OKC, 450 people are searching a month. Foundation Repair Oklahoma City, 450. Foundation Repair Tulsa, if you service Tulsa, 400. Tulsa Foundation Repair, 350. Oklahoma City Foundation Repair, 450. And it just keeps going with some of these. There's more buyer intent keywords throughout here. And so what we'd want to do is we'd want to get you ranking high for these keywords so that these people are going onto your website, because the more people that find your website, the more people that are converting into your customers. And so what you'd want to do is you'd want to have that, add the content into your website, make sure you have the Google business profile, add the citations, photos, 5-star reviews. And if you ever want to reach out, I would be more than happy to help you. Thank you.